This is that goat meat recipe that you've been looking for. It is really easy to prepare. It is absolutely beginner friendly, and I've outlined the steps on how you can recreate it very easily. You're going to wash some chevron and you're going to add it into a pot, and then you add some ground ginger and garlic paste. You're going to add some tomato paste. You're going to add tomato and pepper puree, fresh tomato and pepper puree. Add that over the pot, and then you go in with seasoning of choice. I would list all of the ingredients that I've used in the description box so that you can make reference to it. This is sending some pepper soup spice, seasoning cubes, all of that. You're going to add it into the pot again. Then you add some water, and then you're going to cover that up and allow to cook until tender. You'd have just made yourself a very delicious pot of goat meat pepper soup. Let me know if you found this helpful. Remember to like the video, drop a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and whatever questions you have, drop it in the comment section and I'll respond. This recipe is so easy to prepare and it doesn't use too many ingredients. You can easily find these ingredients around you, and you should definitely give it a try. Thanks for watching. Remember to check out other amazing recipes that we have on this channel, and I'll see you in my next post. Bye.